Hi everyone, welcome back to IT Tech Guy. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser or app and gmail.com, and then enter your email address and password. Once you log into your Gmail, as you can see there are many emails. I'm going to have to delete some emails so I can recover it. So I have selected these two emails to delete in Social tab and delete them. Now we have to recover these two emails that I just have deleted. So on the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down and click on More to expand the menu. Now select Trash, or it might be called Bin, depending on your location. Here you'll see all the emails you've deleted in the last 30 days. To recover an email, simply find the message you want to restore. Then, click the checkbox next to it to select the email. Once selected, look at the top of your screen for the Move To icon. This looks like a folder with an arrow. Click on it and choose Inbox or any other folder you prefer to move the email to. And that's it. Your email has been successfully restored to your inbox. My emails are now back in Social tab. Keep in mind, emails in the trash are automatically deleted after 30 days. If your email was deleted over 30 days ago, you'll need to submit a recovery request to Google Support, but that's not always guaranteed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IT Tech Guy for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.